inside yung Inam, no? Acupuncture. This is our second session. So far okay naman. So mga paa. So we have yung wellness na so far yung kamay, no, sa akin. Ito yung facilities na. Ito yung different internal eye in the Philippines. We have integrative medicine for ito yung na massage. Ventusa. May ibang massage sila oh. Scalp massage is using ko talaga needles lang oh. Kinakabahan ako sa ulo ba? Here, acupressure. Mission.
May nabibigyan sa nakasita ako sa state.
Ang galing. From UP. Mga doctors. Doctor of Medicine. So they have yung mga certified acupuncturists. Then massage therapists. May internal organ massage.